everybody. Welcome to an international edition of the Trust Me, I'm a Lawyer podcast. I am your host, Spencer Aronfeld, and today, joining me as always, from an undisclosed location is my co-host and executive producer, Nory. Nory, how you doing?
I'm good. Welcome, everybody.
I know you're not feeling well, Nory, so I really appreciate you stepping up and co-hosting and executive producing today.
Thank you. It is my job after all. Thank you.
It is. And today we have a very special guest, Nory, from your favorite city in Italy that you and I did some serious exploration and depositions and ship inspections in not too long ago. Introduce everybody to who we have.
Today we have Elena Barellas, who is an Italian lawyer, currently right now on Zoom with us in Italy, I believe.
Benvenuto, Elena.
Hi, grazie.
Grazie a lei. We are so excited to have you.
Do you speak a little Italian? I think.
Io posso parlare italiano perché una volta io sono vissuto in Italia.
Bravo, very
Però ho
good.
dimenticato tutto.
Non mi pare. I don't think so.
Oh,
You
well,
speak
thank you.
a very well Italian.
Oh, grazie mille. So my son and I, we had the pleasure of being in your beautiful city, and it was a dream come true for me as a lawyer because we actually did some lawyer work in your city near the where the cruise ships dock. And we did depositions of crew members, and we did an inspection of a ship there, and it was really one of the best times I've ever had as a lawyer was when I got to practice law for one day in your beautiful city.
Yeah, here in Italy is very difficult the situation at the moment for the sanitary emergency that here in Italy is very hard in this period, especially for law system. Okay, the trial and are blocked for many months until September, October, always related to other so long on the time, and it's very difficult at the moment.
So
really.
Tell us, if you would, Elena, your journey, how you became a lawyer. How does and where in Italy are you from? Are you from Venice?
I don't understand the problem with the...
I'll try again. Were you born in Venice?
Yeah. I'm born in Venice. I live here. When I've studied in Padua University, and I've studied here, and I graduated in 2010, and then I became my practice in Venice. And for 3 years, then I have my degree, final degree with the law exam. And then I'm a lawyer.
So tell us, Elena, what kind of cases do you do? How do you spend your day as a lawyer in Venice?
I'm a consultant for a limited company, principally, and then I'm occupied about labor law. And the capital company that I follow is called the Gruppo Green Power, and which deals with energy efficiency. Okay.
So, I don't understand. So tell us like a typical case, a typical matter that you would be doing.
We follow the problems that the company have inside. Okay. Then, for example, litigation, problems inside the clients, the employees of the society is it's various, okay? And the company that I work for, deals with energy efficiency, okay? Do you understand these passages?
What is energy
Efficiency.
Efficiency.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So it's for energy efficiency. So what kind of things does the company do?
It will sell, I don't know in English how we can do, I don't know exactly how I can do in English this.
So proviamo in italiano.
Impianto fotovoltaico.
You got me. Non ho capito.
It's very difficult, I know.
It's difficult in English and Italian. Did you? I
Do
capito.
you- No, obviously not. I don't speak Italian. But do you deal with like the workers at these energy efficient plants and like the company? Like, does she work with the injury of, you know, workers, or is she working more on like the contracts and stuff?
Great question.
And I can say energy saving,
So
customs for energy savings.
are you working with like the
Maybe it's more simple for you.
So my son's
Energy.
asking you, Elena, do you handle the transactions, transacciones,
Yeah.
or do you handle the litigazione if there's a injured person? What?
Maybe you know this, but in Italy, there isn't this difference between litigation and transaction. You maybe in the US or in the UK, you follow an especially sector of law sector, transaction or litigation. Here in Italy, we follow both of them. Not it's difficult to explain for me, but I can follow both of them, litigation and transaction.
Oh,
there
good.
is no difference for an Italian lawyer in this sector. Okay.
Well, the same here. I could handle a transaction, or I could do litigation. I don't know how to handle a transaction because my specialty is litigation, and I have a very narrow specialty.
I prefer transaction on my own, but I follow also litigation.
So, is there a courthouse in Venice?
Yeah.
And do you have jury trials?
Near Venice, not near Venice. Yeah.
In Mestre?
Near Milano.
Oh, okay. And do they have
It's
jury
near Mestre.
trials? They have jury trials? Trials with a jury? Do they have jury? Can you hear it?
Yeah. In Venice. Near
In Venice, they have
Rialto. Near Rialto.
I don't understand. So near the Rialto, there's a jury trial?
Yeah, in Rialto.
Okay, so the courthouse,
near Rialto Bridge.
Well, Nory and I were at the Rialto Bridge. Remember, Nory?
I do.
Yeah.
So, you know, something interesting, Nory's grandfather right now is developing a new technology for energy efficiency.
Yeah.
His grandfather, su nono.
Ah, okay.
And the nono, the grandfather, his idea is to use the power of the ocean to create electricity.
Yeah.
And maybe we can introduce you to suo nono, because maybe this is something interesting for your cliente.
Yeah, I think it could be interesting.
Yeah, mondo piccolo.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, he just developed this new technology to get electricity from El Golfo de Florida. So, I'll put you in touch with him.
Yeah. How's the situation here in Florida?
Horrible. Nory, you want to tell people how bad things are? You don't have to if you don't want to.
No, I actually have the virus myself right now, which is interesting. That's why I'm not home or anything like that.
Do you have smart working too?
Sorry?
Do you follow smart working too?
No, I capito che lui ha corona, COVID. adesso.
no, I don't understand. No, I don't listen. Non avevo sentito.
Tell her
Yeah.
again, Nory.
Yeah, so I have the virus myself. Thankfully, I'm not like, severely symptomatic or anything. I'm borderline okay. Just a few headaches and, a little bit of a fever sometimes, but I've been okay. So,
Thanking good.
but the situation is terrible in Florida. I think
Yeah.
it's probably the worst here than in anywhere else in the world.
Really bad here. It's horribile. Miami, horribile, horribile.
At the 8 p.m. you closed everything. I listen.
Is there a curfew in effect, Nory?
I wish, but our government in Florida isn't necessarily competent enough to make these restrictions last and strong enough for change.
So Elena, for one time they closed it and then they opened it again. And when they opened it again, everything went bad.
Yeah.
In-
Even here.
So you have to wear a mask now? Do you have to wear a mask?
I'm alone in this room, so I can stay without the mask. But with my colleague over there in the other room, we stay with the mask. Obviously.
Wow. So you're at work right now?
Yeah, I'm at work. I'm in the office. Yeah.
In Venice.
In Venice.
Can you see the canal from your office?
No. In this
No.
time, no. I can stay because I'm in the other office, not in Venice Center, but in the other site of the society. We have another office with the Grand Canal. This one, there is only tree, some flowers. I can see this is.
Oh, hello, Venice. Hi, Italy. Hi, Italy. And here's Miami, so you can see Miami.
Yeah, that's very good. That's better than my office, really.
I would rather be in Venice right now. Wouldn't you, Nory?
Absolutely.
In Venice now, at the moment, there's no tourists, there's no Americans. And so that's really difficult. I know. The city is empty. The city is empty. I've never seen in my life Venice in this situation.
Yesterday, I sent Nory a picture of the Gritti Palace, the Hotel Gritti, where we had breakfast, and next to the canal. Did you see the picture I sent you, Nory?
No.
And the canal looks so clean.
Oh, yeah.
So beautiful, the water, I couldn't believe it.
Because there is no boat for a long time.
Wow.
There's no boat for a long time. No one could passes the canals. So it's so really clean, really clean.
I heard that there were dolphins now, right? In the canals, that like life started to come back, like animals and stuff.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's so cool.
So Elena, what is the name of the company, the energy company that you work for?
Gruppo Green Power. Gruppo Green Power.
Okay, great.
SPA.
All right, so with your permission, I'm going to introduce you to suo nonno.
Yeah.
And hopefully you can do something beautiful together.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, listen, I hope one day, magari, I have the pleasure of meeting you in person in Venice or in Miami.
That's cool. Absolutely, yes.
And I want to thank you. Thank you, grazie mille, for coming onto our podcast. It's beautiful to have you.
Thank you too. You're welcome, really.
Be safe and be well. And Nory, you be safe and be well too. Drink plenty of fluids, okay?
Okay, I will.
Okay. Be safe, everyone. Hoping in better times.
Absolutely. Grazie mille. Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
Bye.